Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your MAC address and IP address on PS5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Network. Select Connection Status, then click View Connection Status. Your MAC address is listed here near the top. You can also find your IP addresses by scrolling near the bottom. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.